Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at Ubuntu Kylin 26.04 LTS, codenamed Resolute Raccoon. This is the official Chinese flavor of Ubuntu and it just got a major upgrade. If you want a beautiful Windows-like Linux experience with excellent Chinese language support, this distro is definitely worth checking out. First, let's understand what Ubuntu Kylin actually is. Launched in 2013 through a collaboration between Canonical and the Chinese government, Ubuntu Kylin is designed primarily for Chinese users but works great for everyone. It comes with the beautiful UKUI desktop environment, pre-configured Chinese input methods, fonts, and localization, while still giving you full access to the official Ubuntu repositories. Ubuntu Kylin 26.04 was released on April 23, 2026. This new version is based on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS and brings several important improvements. It features the Linux Kernel 7.0, which offers better hardware support, improved performance, and enhanced security. The highlight of this release is UKUI 4.20. The desktop now feels much more polished with a better start menu, improved taskbar, enhanced quick settings panel, smoother multi-monitor support, and refined animations. The overall interface looks modern yet familiar, making it very comfortable for Windows users transitioning to Linux. During my testing, I found the desktop to be fast and responsive. The Start menu offers powerful search, easy app pinning, and a clean layout. The taskbar works reliably with system tray icons, and the control center provides easy access to all important settings. UKUI strikes a great balance between simplicity and functionality. Performance-wise, Ubuntu Kylin 26.04 boots quickly, offers excellent battery life on laptops, and handles daily tasks like web browsing, office work, and media consumption very smoothly. Hardware support is strong thanks to the latest kernel. So who should install Ubuntu Kylin 26.04? It's perfect for Chinese users who need native language support, Windows users looking for a familiar interface, and anyone who wants a stable and beautiful LTS release that will be supported until 2029. However, if you prefer GNOME, KDE, or need the absolute latest software versions, you might want to look at other flavors. To get started, head over to the official website ubuntukylin.com and download the ISO. Always verify the checksum for security. You can try it in live mode first, then install using the user-friendly installer. The installation process is smooth and straightforward. Overall, Ubuntu Kylin 26.04 is a fantastic release. UKUI has matured beautifully, and the combination of stability, performance, and aesthetics makes it one of the most approachable Linux distributions available today. I'm genuinely impressed with how far it has come. That's my full review of Ubuntu Kylin 26.04. What do you think about it? Have you tried any previous versions? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Linux content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.